I drive a 03 Eclipse, and it's dirty right now, but I'm going to be cleaning it. As you can see, I've got these antennas, these shark fin antennas. I bought 2 of them, and what I did was drilled a hole, and I bought devil's eyes, daytime running lights in orange, and I put them on the car so that I wired them through the entire body, all the way down to the tail lights, and I wiretapped. I didn't cut any wiring, and it's never a good idea to do that. Always wiretap or do something with it, safer. So when I signal now, you can see me a mile away. This is to help prevent anybody not seeing this car. Apparently sports cars are not seen very well. So you see, I got this one and that one. So just a short little video. It's really easy to do. So it's basically, I'm making this video so you can see. You could take up objects from other vehicles, from other newer vehicles, older vehicles, add them to your existing vehicle to be able to create something new and interesting that no one's seen yet. And no one's done this on an Eclipse yet, so I'm happy to be the first. Thanks for watching.